So for the part when we switch to the camera showing the board for the shifting and external interrupt example, it didn't show in the original recording because the main camera was my one on the laptop. Sorry for that anyway. So I'm recording it here, I'm taking it afterwards, and I'll upload it to the channel and to the e-learning website. So you can see port C is shifting. See, port C bits are shifting right and left forever. This is what we wrote in the main loop, and we configured that the interrupt, external interrupt that is shared with port B0, it is originally high, pulled up through a pull-up resistor here. Whenever a falling edge happens, the program, the controller will respond to it by stopping whatever is happening in the main loop and go blink the 4 bits on port B for 10 times. So let me do that. When I push the button, we're going to cause a falling edge on the interrupt pin. See, I did it. So port C freezed, main loop freezed, blinking 10 times, 5 times on, 5 times off. Then go back to shifting again. Let's do it again. Sorry, here I did a reset here. So falling edge, freeze the shift, and then start blinking 5 times on, 5 times off. Okay, then go back to the shifting. Thank you.